In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste in Microsoft Word using the keyboard. This skill is fundamental for anyone looking to boost their efficiency while working with documents. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, let's open Microsoft Word. To do this, you'll begin by locating the Windows Start menu. You can find it at the bottom left corner of your screen, represented by the Windows logo. A simple click on this logo opens up a world of applications at your fingertips. Once you have the Start menu open, your next step is to find Microsoft Word. You do this by typing Word into the search bar that appears as soon as you open the Start menu. As you start typing, you'll see a list of applications filter based on your input. Keep an eye out for Microsoft Word in this list. When you've located Microsoft Word in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This action launches the application, and shortly you'll find yourself staring at the welcoming screen of Word. Now that Microsoft Word is open, it's time to either start a new document or open an existing one. You can do this from the Word home screen. Here you have the option to click on blank document to start afresh, or choose from any recent document you've been working on. Clicking on your choice will open up the document ready for you to work on. With your document open, let's proceed to the main event, copying and pasting text. Start by selecting the text you want to copy. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor across the desired text, highlighting it. Once your text is selected, it's time to copy it. To do this, simply press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. Ctrl stands for control, and you'll find it on the bottom left corner of most keyboards. This key combination copies the selected text to your clipboard, a temporary storage area for your copied content. Now move on to where you wish to paste the copied text in your document. Place your cursor at the exact spot by clicking once. To paste the text you previously copied, press Ctrl+V. The text you copied will magically appear at the location of your cursor. To sum up, copying and pasting text in Microsoft Word using the keyboard involves a few simple steps. Start by opening Microsoft Word through the Windows Start menu, then either start a new document or open an existing one. Select the text you want to copy and use the Ctrl+C command to copy it. Lastly, place your cursor where you want this text to go and press Ctrl+V to paste it. Remember, practicing these commands will not only help you become more proficient with Microsoft Word, but also enhance your overall productivity. The more you use these keyboard shortcuts, the more they will become second nature to you, allowing you to navigate and manipulate text with ease and speed. So there you have it. You now know how to copy and paste text using just your keyboard in Microsoft Word, a skill that will surely come in handy whether you're working on essays, reports, or any document. Keep practicing, and don't forget to explore more shortcuts to improve your efficiency even further. Thank you for tuning in, and happy typing.